Can an LLC have employees? Yes, an LLC can have employees. Once the LLC is formed, it can hire workers just like any other business. To do this, the LLC must obtain an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS, set up payroll, and comply with federal and state employment laws. The LLC will also need to withhold and pay payroll taxes, provide any required benefits, and carry workers' compensation insurance if mandated by the state. Hiring employees adds responsibilities, but it can also help the LLC grow faster by expanding its workforce. Even a single member LLC can hire employees as long as it follows the proper rules. Owners, however, are not considered employees by default unless the LLC elects to be taxed as a corporation. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and get the EIN. You need to start hiring employees. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.